Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learners. Today we will be discussing about writing skills. How to improve writing skill with certain basic tips. So first we need to know that there are various type of writings in our syllabus. In all the syllabus of the boards, all the boards include various type of writing skills. So those are paragraph writing, essay writing, notice writing, report writing, email writing, advertisement, process writing. Apart from all this, academics also include creative writing parts, which includes blog writing, which includes blurb writing, book review, and so on. So all those writing is in your syllabus. Now the point is how to improve your writing skills. There are certain skills you need to know that you should follow to improve your writing. So what is the basic thing? The basic thing of improving writing skill is sentence formation. Sentence is very important for everyone. Starting from class 1 ending with class 12, everybody should follow the sentence formation, should know how to form a single sentence very correctly with using every grammatical rules wisely. So for knowing this sentence, how to write a sentence, you need to go to my previous video which was already uploaded yesterday or a day before yesterday. I don't know the exact date. Rather, let's concentrate in the writing skill. The first point is sentence formation, which is a very plus important point. You need to do it. So how will you do it? This is a question. How will I? The students often ask, ma'am, how will I improve my sentence? To improve your sentence, this is a very easy trick, a very easy tip for you. You need to know the grammar. You need to know subject and predicate. You need to know the verbs, how to use it, where to use it, when to use it. You need to know the tenses very well. So these all chapters, this tense, these verbs, these chapters will be discussed later in my videos. Please have a look, have a view. For that you need to subscribe my channel. Okay. After sentence formation, the main and major thing is punctuation. Now students love to give commas, apostrophes, colons, semicolons wherever they wish. Okay. But the thing is not very good there. Whenever you are using something, some punctuation where you don't know where to use, this is going to deduct your marks. So it will be very good for every student starting from class 3 to 12. You should read your punctuation chapter in your grammar book, which is a very plus doing for everyone. Punctuation is important because this carry marks. Punctuation carry marks. Every student denied this, that yes, ma'am or sir, punctuation is very easy, we know this, we don't need any special class for it. But the thing doesn't end there. The thing is, the students know everything, okay, but they didn't know the base thing. Basement is not clear. Okay, so for this you need to do the punctuation very well. Now for writing very wisely or very clearly, first is sentence formation, second is writing skill, second is punctuation, sorry, the third is writing structure. So if someone asks you to write an essay on spring season, you will never write how will you celebrate your spring season. Rather you have to write what is spring season. And this type of topics often comes in paragraphs, not in essay. In essay, what we need to do in essay, there are descriptive essay, narrative essay, debates, for and against essay, and they also have certain picture writing. This thing comes in ICSE boards class 10. So in these sections, what students need to know, need to do, they need to concentrate on the writing topic. If someone is given the topic that they need to write about the best memories of their school life or of their primary school. The student, obviously they don't remember everything. Whatever they remember, they need to write in a very structural way. Now this writing structure is very important. These are the 4 tips we need to know in writing skills. Let's revise. The first is sentence formation, the second is punctuation, the third is writing structure, and the fourth, which I didn't discuss it yet, the fourth is paragraph breaks. Where to break your paragraph, it is very important. You are starting a point and you have to end it, and you cannot write. You are starting a point, you have thought something that yes, I'll write this type of thing in here. When you are ending that point, you have to change your paragraph. Now paragraph breaks plays a very important role in your writings, which also carry marks, but students don't know it. There are no teachers who will tell you that this paragraph breaks, this writing structure, this sentence formation, this punctuation carries mark. This is the very important thing you should stamp in your mind. Okay, now I'll discuss how. These are the basic tips of writing skill. Now I'll discuss the tricks. Now there's a difference between tips and tricks. Tricks is something that should be used, and tips are certain rules, okay, that one should keep in your mind. What are the tricks of writing skill? These are vocabulary. Number 1 is vocabulary. The words. You need to enrich your vocabulary. If you don't do that, you are lacking words. And lacking words means if you try to write you will try to write in an elaborate sentence, which will reduce your marks. Now how to improve vocabulary? It's a very easy process. Everyone have their own rules. Some go to dictionary, some open it, some reads it, some reads storybooks. From there they collected the words, search in a dictionary or Google, and then they learn. Some read newspapers. There are different type of ways that you should know which type you are going to do. Okay. Number 2 is imagination. One should know what to write. Before writing, they should think. Thinking is very important nowadays. If you cannot think what you are going to write, first the students, what they do, the students mostly, not all, mostly they, after getting the topic, they start writing without thinking anything. But I'll suggest, when you are getting the topic, think which one to choose among. If you have options, think which one you can do very well. Okay, and after choice, think what, from which point you are going to start. Number 3 is checking. After completing your writing, please do check what you have written. Okay, there are students who after writing introduction check introduction. Don't do that. It will waste your time. After completing the whole writing, please do check for 5 minutes. What you need to check? You need to check your grammars. Where you did your mistakes very often. You need to check your sentence formation. You need to check your punctuation. Very, very important. And the paragraph breaks, you cannot change there, because after writing you cannot change your paragraphs. It takes a lot of time. Okay, it takes a lot of time. You cannot do it. So better, when you are writing, when you are breaking your paragraphs, think and break. Okay, these are the small tips that everyone should follow when they are dealing with any type of writing skills. For more elaborately, I'll speak in my next video about the writing section. Okay, these are all tips and tricks. These are all basics. In the next video, I am going to speak about the certain writing things. Okay, one video will be only of all the types of writing except creative writing, and the other video will be only for creative writing, which is very important nowadays. Every boards include creative writing in their syllabus. So in creative writing, very important is vocabulary. In every type of writing, rather, vocabulary, we learn about vocabulary, we learn about thinking and enrichment of vocabulary. We also learn about editing or checking it after finishing your writing. So this much for today. Thank you very much. Keep helping me to build my community. For that, you need to comment in my comment section to let me know, do you like it or not? If not, what do you want more from me? I just want all your supports. Thank you very much. Again, I'll tell, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon after beside it. Thank you. Have a nice day.